Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Ecoboost Mustang has the stock turbo and factory recirculation setup. This matters because the easiest method uses the existing plumbing. Once confirmed, remove the intake tubing and locate the recirculation valve and charge piping. Use a clean work area and prepare a short 1/2. Next, you create the flutter path by introducing a controlled escape for pressure as the turbo spools down. Carefully open the recirculation valve port slightly or add a small bleed. This lets the compressor surge briefly and audibly while avoiding hard back pressure. Once done, insert a 3-4 mm restrictor in the vacuum line to slow valve closure, and finally you road test the car with progressive throttle blips. Aim for short, crisp flutter on liftoff. If the sound is too aggressive or the engine sputters, make small adjustments, reduce bleed size or enlarge the restrictor to smooth the transition. Make sure to monitor for vacuum leaks and engine codes. If you trigger a check engine light, restore the factory recirculation and scan for faults. A quick troubleshooting tip: if surge becomes loud or persistent, stop and reverse modifications to prevent turbo stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.